Have you noticed how casinos use chips? Chips? No, not those chips. These chips.
يا حمار.
Have you ever wondered why? One of the main reasons they do it is because using chips makes the experience feel more like a game and less like spending real money. Using chips psychologically distances the players from the value of their money, leading to more bets, riskier behavior, and higher spending. There's quite a bit of research on that. You're psychologically disconnected from your money. It's not real money, it's plastic. The same thing happens with credit cards. Studies show that in general, you spend 12 to 18% more when using a credit card compared to using cash. Now, in a fast food setting, people spend 70% more on average when they use a credit card. Studies have repeatedly shown that the more a payment method decouples the purchase from the payment, and the less transparent the form of money is, the more consumers tend to spend.
I'll make it rain all day long.
Back in the day, not my day, but thousands of years ago, people had the barter system, where they buy stuff by exchanging items. I trade you my chicken for your large bag of rice.
I like them dead, deep fried. You ever heard of Popeyes?
You give me something, I give you something. When I give up that chicken, I feel it. I feel the loss. I feel the pain.
Ouch.
Then society realized that barter was not the most efficient or practical system.
No. No! I don't want no chicken. What am I gonna do with a chicken?
So they shifted to valuable currency as a medium of exchange. Coins that contain precious metals like silver and gold. Again, when you hand those coins over to buy something, it feels real. You feel the pain. Then we shifted to fiat currency, paper money. But again, when I buy a pair of shoes, I have to give up my $100 bills. I'm looking my dear brother Benjamin Franklin in the eye as I part ways with him, and it hurts. Maybe not as much as if I gave up my chickens or heavy silver or gold-based coins, but it still hurts. By the way, when I say it hurts, I'm not trying to be poetic or dramatic here. It literally hurts. It's a psychological phenomenon called the pain of paying. Researchers from MIT used MRI brain scans and found that paying money activates the insular cortex, the area of the brain associated with physical pain. This happens especially when you feel the item is expensive and when you pay for it in cash. Now with a credit card, I give the vendor a piece of plastic, he inserts it in his machine, he gives me my new pair of Jordans, and he gives me back my piece of plastic. That's a great deal. I came to the store with a plastic card, I left with a plastic card and a new pair of Jordans. Isn't that wonderful? In fact, later work from MIT showed that credit cards enhance spending by exciting the brain's reward centers, the striatum, making the purchase itself more pleasurable. So using a credit card not only reduces or eliminates the pain of paying, it can actually be pleasurable. And now with Apple Pay, the effect is even more pronounced. You're not even handing them a physical plastic card. You just vaguely wave your phone in their vicinity.
In that vicinity.
You just wave it, like you're some freaking wizard from Harry Potter.
Wingardium Leviosa.
It's like magic. No wonder you're overspending, you shopaholic freak. Bess, stop spending. Be careful with your money. I like my chickens dead and deep fried. Ever heard of Popeyes?